you doing? My name is Van Nguyen of JJ Hat Center, and you are watching the Hat Doctor Show. So today I want to show you how to go with the flow and introduce you to a hat that can be folded or crushed, and generally how you're going to recognize that distinction between one hat that's stationary and one hat that's foldable or packable would be initially be that literal. It's going to say crushable or foldable or packable, and you're going to do just that. Another telltale sign would be easy to acknowledge is that the sweatband on the inside here is a cloth band, not a leather, so you know better whenever the weather is changing and you gotta adapt and start rearranging. All right, now it's super easy, super simple to do. Whenever you're in a rainstorm, you're gonna not use your hat as an umbrella. You can, but depending on which hat it is, never say never. So you're gonna have a hat like this that's just very easy and soft, that's obviously crushable. You're gonna start off with taking your hands, you're gonna pop this on open like so. Then you're gonna take the brim and you're gonna flip it down so you can get around. All right, you're gonna flip the brim up. It's gonna be a little bit tough the first time, but as you get used to it, it'll be easy as a ride. So now you have a little crease. You're gonna pop it in so you can have a little fold. I'll lay it on the table if you want, and you're gonna see this line where your bow rows, and then that's how you're gonna roll, and then you're gonna know. You're gonna flip flop, give it a little tight tuck, and then you're ready to rock. Put it in your pocket, and you'll be ready to rock it. Pop it open.
I will say it's gonna be
and
for those, depending on what you
ready
want to go
for
with
the
body.
U.S. Open.
So
all right,
the temple,
it's super easy, super fun. You gotta have some, time and enjoy it, and make sure it's not undone. And basically, it's a little knowledge that you can take to college, and you can roll your hat anywhere, anytime, with the drop of a dime. All right, I'm your host today. My name is Van Nguyen of JJ Hat Center, and I hope you've learned a little bit something extra to get you on your way and to win whenever you can and make your day just a little bit better, like 1,000 grand. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of how to roll your hat and have fun with it. The hat model that I have here today is the Crushable Traveler. We'll be carrying these very soon. If not, we'll be in stock already, as you have seen from today's video. And enjoy, have fun, things get done, and easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, till the next time, until the next episode, I hope you guys learned a lot. Subscribe, keep me alive, and then I'll talk to you soon. All right, cheers, bye-bye.